Hello, I am Tarini Durukar and I am a second year BTech student at LIT Nagpur enrolled in departments of oil, fats and surfactant. And she is my mother.
Hello, I am Kokila Durukar and I am housewife.
This video is going to be about mechanism of detergency. In our day-to-day life, it is well known as cleaning action. And for this cleaning action, there is a most common substance used called as detergent. Now, every of us know what is detergent, but according to a chemical engineer, detergent is a substance which is amphiphilic in nature. It consists of surfactant or a mixture of surfactant which helps in cleaning action. Now, I have used the term surfactant. So, surfactant is a substance which reduces the surface tension of water and helps in removing the stain from the surface. Let us illustrate this phenomenon. For illustrating this cleaning action, I have taken a piece of cloth which has some mud stains in it and I am using this liquid detergent to clear off the stains. Now, as a result of this cleaning action, we have got a clean cloth and the stains from the surface of this cloth has been removed. Now let us look at the chemical engineering aspect behind this. Now this is the molecule of detergent which is amphiphilic in nature. Now amphiphilic in nature means having both the properties of getting soluble in both oil and water. The dirt which is attached on the surface is in the form of dust, lipids or grease which can't be removed by water only. Thus, when we add detergent into it, this detergent molecule gets break into two parts. The first part is tail and the second part is head. Now, the tail which is hydrophobic in nature, that means it is highly attracted by oil. Thus, it solubilizes the dirt and grease from the surface in itself and bring it on the upper surface of the cloth or area. Now the remaining part, that is head, which is hydrophilic in nature, that means it is highly attracted by water. So this water flow wash off the dirt and grease from the surface of the area and as a result we get a clean surface. Another several applications of this mechanism in our day-to-day life is liquid detergent, floor cleaner, bathing soaps, face washes, toothpaste, shampoos, powder detergents, etc.